2025 Kia Telluride cabin air filter. It's going to be located behind the glove box here. So if you want to replace it, we're going to need to lower this door. To do that, first thing we're going to do is disconnect this damper that we have right here. Alright, so we're going to take this pin and we're just going to pull it. This, remove it. And you can move the little damper arm out of the way. Now there are these glove box stoppers right here. Turn it counterclockwise and you can pull them out. There's two of them. And the glove box will fall down. And the filter is located in this compartment here, so we're going to take this door off here. And what we're going to do is push these tabs down, pull towards you, and the door will flip open and up. And then you can take the filter out. What's nice about these factory filters is if you look at the front of it, right here it says airflow and it's pointing with the arrows down. So when you get your new filter, it should, most aftermarket filters have this labeling on it. Make sure you install it the correct way, okay? So this car only has low, super low miles, so the filter is really clean, so I didn't expect to replace it today. So here it is. So when you get your new one, you just reinstall it the same way we took this one out. This new filter is actually in here really tight. Okay. If you need a filter, I'm going to have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new filter. So check that down below. They're a little less expensive on Amazon than at the dealer. So you can get them from anywhere from $10 all the way up to $30. So check out that link, and then we just close the box up. Take the glove box and then get the stopper, put it back where it goes without dropping it. But that's pretty much how we do this. It's not very hard. I'm gonna do the other one here in a second. I'm gonna show you this real quick. Just get this. What we need to do here is line up the holes, this little baby hole here with the hole that's here. And then you get your pen and repin this guy. Alright, and that is pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could leave a like or a comment, and hope to see you again in another Kia video.